In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Google Forms subscription and clear up what those charges on your account actually mean. This is a common point of confusion because Google Forms itself is completely free for personal use. If you're seeing a charge and you think it's for Google Forms, it's almost always coming from something else connected to your Google account, like Google Workspace or Google One. In this walkthrough, we'll focus specifically on cancelling a Google Workspace subscription, which is often what people have when they're paying for a professional or custom email address, such as something like yourname@yourbusiness.com. If that sounds like you, then the steps I'm about to cover should help you stop those charges correctly. First, it's important to understand what Google Workspace is. It's a paid service from Google that bundles business email, extra collaboration tools, and admin controls. When you sign up, you usually connect it to a domain name for your business. Even though you might be using Google Forms as part of that setup, the bill you receive is actually for Google Workspace, not specifically for Forms. So to stop the charges, you need to cancel the Workspace subscription from the admin side, not from Google Forms itself. To do that, start by going to the Google Admin Console. This is a separate dashboard from your regular Gmail or Google Drive. You can find it by searching for Google Admin Console in your browser, then signing in with the administrator account for your organization. This will usually be the account you used when you first set up your business email or workspace. If you sign in and you only see your normal Gmail inbox, you're not in the Admin Console yet, so make sure you're on the correct site and using the right login. Once you're in the Google Admin Console, look for the main menu. This is typically represented by a menu icon in the upper left, or it might already show a navigation panel on the side. From there, you want to go to the billing section, click on billing, then choose subscriptions. This is where Google lists all of the active paid services tied to your organization. On the subscriptions page, you should see your Google Workspace subscription listed. It may have a name like Google Workspace Business Starter, Business Standard, or another plan type, depending on what you originally chose. Click on the subscription you want to cancel to open its details. Inside the subscription details, look for an option labeled More or a similar menu that expands additional actions. Click on that, and you should see an option to cancel subscription. Select cancel subscription and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. Google may show you information about what will happen when you cancel, such as how long you'll retain access or what will happen to your data and email accounts. Read these details carefully so you know what to expect. Once you confirm the cancellation, your Google Workspace subscription will be scheduled to end, and future billing for that subscription should stop. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message from Google, and consider downloading any important data or backing up emails if you plan to stop using the service entirely.